there's a mystery box and there's a link in the description for you to click on. That helps me out. You're going to want this one if you like those cuties. This has a brand new cutie color in it. So go click that link, go buy the box, come back and see what's in it. I've already opened it, but Cricut sent me this box so I can show you what's in it. This one is called Birds of a Feather. Why is it called Birds of a Feather, you ask? Because the cutie is called Peacock. Let's open this up. Here's the new Peacock color. Now, just so you can compare it, this one is the teal, this one is the peacock, this is the one that comes in this box. Let's see what else we get. We get the Peacock pen set. These awesome colors. Love these. It's the gel pens. They're awesome. They're 1-point pen set. Great colors. You also get a scraper and a spatula. I use these all the time. And the metal ruler in blue. These are great. I use these too. This is River Bloom Sampler. You get 3 sheets of 12 by 24 in these colors. So it's like a navy blue, a green, and kind of a purplish color. Those are really pretty. And it's removable. I love removable. And then this one is Permanent Glossy Wild Aster. It's 12 by 48, permanent glossy. Strong Bond Martha Stewart Wild Blueberry. It's 12 by 24. And 6 sheets of 12 by 12 patterned vinyl. Those are some really cool patterns you get. So you get 2 of each pattern. And then glitter iron-on in sapphire. This is a beautiful color. If you watched my video on Tuesday, I used glitter iron-on my card right here. So all the black is glitter iron-on. You can use iron-on on your cards and your scrapbooks. It works awesome. You probably already went and got this. Please leave me a comment if you got the box or if you passed on it. It's okay if you pass. It's probably going to sell out really fast. My code doesn't work on this box, but if you have Cricut Access, it's the only way to get the box. You have to have Cricut Access in order to purchase this box. If you have Cricut Access Premium, you get 20% off. If you have Cricut Access Standard, you get 10% off. So no one's paying the full price. And you can sell the cutie for more than you can purchase the box for. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you come back tonight and we're going to make some shark puppets. We even have some little ones. See you later. Bye.